Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyan Bharati Junior College of Science, Gurgaon. So, dear students, all of you are now new for the 11th science. So, I like to welcome some of you first, and I like to introduce myself, Sunil Shilaskar. I am teaching physics here from last 12 years. So now here is my introduction, and the physics subject is the most interesting subject in the world. So here first of all, I like to introduce my subject physics. So physics, also this subject is known as the physical science. Also this is known as the physical science. Physical science. So this physical science means whatever we see by our naked eyes or with the help of the microscope that is surrounding to us is nothing but the physical world. And this physical world consists of many matters. That is substance matters. So here matter we see around us matters. We see here the chalk. We see we hear my voice. Again, this voice is nothing but the form of the energy. Means here the energy is transformed, converted from one form of the energy to the another form of the energy. Or again here, I told you the matter is nothing but the one, the substance, mass contained in a substance, that is the matter. So here, the study of this matter, energy, and conversion of one form of energy into another form is called as the physical science or the physics. So here first of all, I like to define the word physics or the physical science as the branch of science, definition, the branch of science, which deals with the study of, with the study of matter, and energy, and conversion of energy, and their conversion, is called as the physics. So here we define the word physics or the physical science, the branch of science which deals with the study of matter and energy and the interconversion means matter can be converted into the energy or energy can be converted into the matter or the one form of the energy can be converted into the another form of the energy. So this study comes under the branch of the science. So here are the many branches of the science. Physics is the branch of science, chemistry is the branch of science, biology is the branch of science, engineering is the branch of science, medical is the branch of science, aerospace is the aeronautics engineering again is the branch of science. So here are the many branches of science, but out of them one branch deals with the study of the matter, energy and conversion is called as the physics or the physical science. Physics or the physical science. So this is the definition of the physics. So while studying the physics, we came across the object or the body. Means here, object means and body. Here, while I telling you, mention you the body. In the physics, body means anything or the object, not our body. Listen carefully. Body means thing or the object, matter, substance, etc. So here, while studying the physics, we come across the many objects. Some objects having their space and size are very large. Means object having the space. Large size are called as the macroscopic object, and the object having the small size, very small size that can be seen under the powerful microscope. Some objects are very large. I can measure the shape and size of the duster with the help of the vernier caliper or the scale. I can see it by my naked eye. These are microscopic. Some objects having the very large size or magnitude, shape and size, their magnitudes are very high. Having the 10 to the power plus 10, 10 to the power plus 20, 10 to the power plus 30. Means they are the very large magnitude. These are called as the macroscopic physical quantities. These are called the macro. But some objects having the very small magnitude that cannot be seen by our naked eye. We see that object with the help of the powerful microscope having the order of very small 10 to the power minus negative power. 10 to the power minus 3 means milli, 10 to the power minus 6 micro, 10 to the power minus 9 nano, 10 to the power minus 12 pico. So these objects having the very small size, that is the radius of the electron, diameter of the electron, size of the atom. These are the very small objects or the physical quantities magnitude having a very small size, shape, magnitude. They are called the microscopic. So here is the difference between these A and I, microscopic and macroscopic. So while studying the physics, we came across both type of the quantities, macroscopic and microscopic. Macroscopic and microscopic. Microscopic means अति सूक्ष्म, बड़ा, ज़्यादा बड़ा, large. So we come across here the physical quantities. Means we have to tell about something. Means here physical quantities are that entities which we require to mention something, to express something, to expose something. Means suppose here is the body, my body is here the duster, and I want here to move the duster from one point to another point. Means initial position of the duster is at the point A. Means suppose here here is my body. This is my duster. Duster. This is called as the body, or again this is called as the object. This is object for my experiment. So here the duster is initially at the point A. What I am saying, the duster is at point A. This is my initial position of the duster. And suppose I am going to apply the force on this duster, means duster will be moved from point A to point B. Means this is the final position of the duster at the point B. Means here is the difference between the initial position and the final position of the body. Means after the application of something here, means body will be moved from its initial to final position. Means after some interval of time, by moving certain distance, the duster will be appears at the point B. This is the initial position, and this is the final position. Initial means प्रारंभिक स्थिति, प्रारंभ किंवा आरंभिक स्थिति. Final means अंतिम स्थिति, शेवटची स्थिती. Means I want to apply something here. That something I want to apply here something. What something? There is the physical quantity. Means something. That word something indicates here which is to be applied on the body. When the body is at point A, I am going to apply something on that body, and that something, that entity ऐसा कुछ तो भी है जो अप्लाई करने के बाद बॉडी पे क्या होगा, बॉडी मूव होगी. Means that something, that entity, physical entity is known as the force. That is what I think. Means this something is responsible for something. That entity, physical entity, is called as the physical quantity. So here, while measuring the physical quantity, we need something again. Means suppose I want to buy the 10 kg of sugar. What I am saying that I want 10 kilogram of sugar. Means here I must go to the shop and I am asking for 10 kilogram of sugar. So then the shop owner, what will he do? He will take the 10 kg weights in the balance and measure it by taking the sugar at the one of the right hand side or the left hand side and 10 kg weight on the another side. So he will balance it. The sugar will be balanced by the 10 kg of weight. While the balance is balanced, when the needle of that balance is balanced, weighing balance, then 10 kg is equal to 10 kg. 10 kg sugar is equal to 10 kg of weight. So what I am saying here, the 10 kg sugar means here 10 kg sugar I want to measure here. That is called as the unit of that physical quantity. So here I am going to start with the first chapter of your subject, which is units and measurement. So here units and measurement is the first chapter of your syllabus. So here I am talking about the 10 kg of sugar. 10 kg of sugar I am writing here the 10 number kilogram sugar. So here this 10 indicates here the number. This is the number. This is the magnitude. And this kilogram is the unit for the measurement. For the measurement. But sugar is my substance. But it having the weight. So weight is here the physical quantity. Physical quantity. So here number is the 10. Unit is the kilogram because here unit 10 kg 10 किलोग्राम यूनिट होना मुझे. बट लेकिन अगर मैं 100 kg बोलूँ तो क्या 100 का एक साथ अपन काउंट कर सकते हैं, मेजर कर सकते हैं? 1000 kg अगर बोलेंगे तो क्या एक साथ बोल सकते हैं, मेजर कर सकते हैं? यस और नो, दोनों आंसर यहाँ पे पॉसिबल है. सो इन द प्रेजेंट वर्ल्ड वी कैन मेजर डायरेक्टली ऑन द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैलेंस 1000 kg. But here the reference standard used for that measurement is the 1. Means here our reference standard is standard reference. What I am saying here is standard reference. Standard reference. So your standard reference is only 1 kg. Standard reference is कितना kg? 1 kg. Means there is 10 kg is 10 times of this 1. Means 10 1 10 1 10 10. Means here the 10 kg is 10 times that of the 1 kg. This is my reference standard. And this reference standard used for the measurement of physical quantity is called as the unit of that physical quantity. Listen carefully. What I am saying? I am saying that the reference standard or the standard reference used for the measurement of physical quantity का जो measurement करते हैं आगे वजह से करते इससे करते हैं standard जो भी यूज करते हैं. यहाँ पे reference standard कितना है? 1 kg. If I am saying that I require the 50 meters of cloth, means the 50 meters of cloth, 50 is the number, meter is the unit for the measurement of that physical quantity, and physical quantity is measured in the form of the length. Cloth has the 50 meter length. So here what? 50 is the number and here meter is the unit for the measurement of that physical quantity. So here 50 is the 50 times that of the 1 meter cloth. So 50 is measured 50 times that of the 1 meter cloth. So here basic or my standard reference is the 1 meter cloth. 1 meter into 50 is equal to 50 meters. So here is the 1 meter is the my reference standard or the standard reference, that is called as the unit for the measurement of that physical quantity. So here unit of a physical quantity can be defined as the reference standard used for the measurement of physical quantity is called as the unit of physical quantity. Thank you so much.